tune you see in that seat and you just a slide down. No, man. When R&B and mash up here, there's some good love tune I reach, you know. You start sitting up straight, but it's when the tune them connect, you slide down. You just start slide down. And before you know it, your hand just a lick your leg, so, you know. Your hand start lick your leg, and after a while, it stop lick and you just a rub. You know, that time the tune them attack. And you see how one of them connect, you just flick up here a little bit, kind of like bend over a little bit, all of a sudden, you know. And then you just slide back, and you just rock your turn. I said, John, I don't know everyone there. I said, John, them tune you. And you start to remember back all some people will give you some good fix up and you animal not talk right, you know. And you just start cuss them, the old John Crow. But you know, she did not go on well, do me now. Okay, people, it's about 6 minutes to 2 o'clock. That means it's a good time for...
Can you believe it? Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Can You Believe It on Wednesdays is brought to you by
Mayflower Hotel and Restaurant, offering rooms at very low cost, special discount for the recession.
Okay, and I don't know if I have some real story bring to you when it comes to Can You Believe It. Now, people, I'm going to tell you from right now, so that one I look a bit touchy. But work with it, because we have a look at vibes for the show where we take bad things, make laugh. But it's a mix-up show, a mix-up entertainment show. I mean, I tell you, sometimes them say, life is just even stranger and more funnier than fiction. Here the mix-up here come out of Milwaukee in the United States. Man charged with killing woman for taking phone call during sex. Joking at this, but it's serious too. Man charged with killing woman for taking phone call during sex. But I can read the mix-up. A Milwaukee man was charged Tuesday with strangling a woman over the Thanksgiving weekend because she took a phone call while they were having sex. 46-year-old Garon Lewis faces a single count of first-degree intentional homicide in the death of 44-year-old Sharon D. Dorsey. According to a criminal complaint, Dorsey was found dead Saturday afternoon in a home in the 1500 block of South Union Street by her daughter. Dorsey's body was on a bed in the basement, clad in her underwear. Medical examiners determined she had been strangled and was dead for some time. Later Saturday, a man told police Lewis had come to his house crying and confessed to killing Dorsey with a belt for talking to someone else while the two were in bed. Lewis then also admitted to police he had killed Dorsey after first threatening her life, the complaint says. Lewis was being held in the Milwaukee County Jail in lieu of U.S. $150,000 bail. Now, people, again, that brother here, 46-year-old Garon Lewis, assault out 44-year-old Sharon D. Dorsey. And a phone call come in for Sharon, and Sharon got answer the phone in at the middle of the sort out. And it just mash up him made so much that, you know, laugh. I see Western Chris Grass the laugh, that him just strangle her and kill her. Now, I could just state it unequivocally, and I could make the first part clear. When him do, him a low, and he is to be held accountable for it. That is no reason for you to kill a woman. That is no reason for you to kill anybody. You understand? Is it embarrassing? Yes. Is it terribly embarrassing? Yes. Chris Grass talking truth with God love. Is who for fault?
You know the man fault.
And the man fault.
Yeah.
It's the man fault. You understand? If you catch the sickness all right, that's when she said, what phone? She probably think her head did a ring. Yeah.
She probably could have watched a movie.
A cartoon. Yeah, you know that probably when the phone call coming, she supposed to say, thank God, look like excitement at last.
Know how the whole
you understand?
Probably know how the whole family guy go.
It's being fault is that any of me I sort out a woman and her phone ring and she reach over and answer. Me not blame the woman. I say, you know, so I need to step up my game. You understand? Any of me I do the things, you understand? And she a draft for a paper get distracted and look on a bird outside of the window or something. You understand? If you get creative, man, turn sideways or do something extra. You understand? Catch it somewhere where, make sure you get back her attention. It's fiend fault. And then him go kill the woman pan top of it. Carelessness. You understand? I would think he should be held, the full force of the law should hold this man accountable. You understand? You start out woman on her phone ring and she go answer the phone and then you go strangle her, kill her. Dirty boy! You understand? Sure. Anyway. We had a cathartic moment there. Okay. So there you have it, people. Man, I start out to a 46-year-old man, Garen Lewis. I start out to a 44-year-old woman, Sharon D. Dorsey, in Milwaukee, in the United States. And a call come in and she goes to bam and go answer her phone in the middle of the dagger ring. You see it? And the man just get mad and go strangle the woman, kill her. Dirty boy, you understand? And say, well, the gangster them at Jamaica. I said, John, we're fiend for it, yes, for true, Raga. I'm not too listen, yes, sure, I just happen to listen to them, but I agree with you, Raga. Fiend for it, yes, yeah. Because you don't know some of the thugs around here that not happening, no. Yeah. Okay, people, that was...
Can you believe it? Oh, my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh, my God, do you believe that?
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm want to call and talk up the things them.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in the Senate. Just before we go to the phone lines, we're just going to read a few emails before we go to the phone lines, right? I don't know, so we're upon Pastor Church Mixup. We have a few emails here that we're going to read. The first one is, Raga, big up the pastor man from Hanover, will tell me that him wants swipe me and live with him wife in the same community. And when time for swipe me, and after him swipe me, him take out condom and put on dresser. When him come out of the room, me throw it away. When him come back, him say, where the condom there? Me say, me don't know where it is. So him come out and say, I duppy in the house. Good thing him they don't swipe me already. This is from Sexiness in Hanover. Next email, Raga, big up my friend Biggie from Jerusalem, who finally have a man for call her own. She now live with her man in a Prembokal. And sorry about her mishap earlier on in the year. I know what happened earlier, and the rumors were true, but she must know why she had denied them. I remember the rumor there where them this about Biggie. Next email. Hi, Raga, big up yourself, boy. You make me laugh so hard at daytime. Them things I'm mad when 1 to 5 p.m. come. Them all ask me who me I talk to. All my boss left him office to come see if I'm mad, me I'm mad. And thing. Love you. This is Jane in cold Chicago. Jane, big up yourself up there in Chicago. We'll lock into the show. Manners and respect. Next email. Hello, Raga. I am a Jamaican living in the States. I was in my car listening to your program. In your talk about our culture and language, that was very inspiring. I was giving you a high five as you were speaking. I totally got what you were saying about speaking Patois and English. Anyway, you said a quote about language, culture, and identity. I was wondering if you could repeat it because it was very uplifting to me. Thanks. This is Karen in New York. Karen, the quote is, language carries culture. Culture carries identity. And identity carries existence. Within that context, Karen, language is just not words or sounds coming out of your mouth, but they represent a worldview, a cosmology, a way of being. In other words, a thing deep. And I just talk. So when you hear the voice of people, them just arrest the thing solely in the context of words coming out of your mouth and thing. That is not where it is. And by extension also, I continue to argue, if you creatively and conveniently continue to invalidate a language, you're actually invalidating the existence of the people who carry the language. Again, language carries culture. Culture carries identity. And identity carries existence. When you dream, for example, you have to dream in your language. when you negotiate symbols, you have to do so in a language. When you define something, and everything we interact with is defined, but they must be defined in a language. When you say you're going to do this or you're not do this or whatever, you have to do it through a language. You understand? Right? Language carries culture. Culture carries identity, and identity carries existence. So when the boys of people are talk about certain type of language, because if it's radio, it has to be what you're hearing. And it's certain type of language, not for them on the radio, and people not for talk this. And when somebody learn it, people want to impose upon you the so-called proper way of doing things, which happens to fall within the language of a Western European culture, and not reflecting our indigenous Jamaican language here. What they're doing is essentially invalidating the 90% of Jamaicans who only speak Patois, who only speak Jamaican. So it's not like them. I said, just don't talk like that, but everything else okay. It's as if they're invalidating everything about the people. Language carries culture, culture carries identity, and identity carries existence. A Patois, me say, a Jamaican, me say, and that is about identity. It's about existing, and it's definitely about existing in a space in the media landscape. And I dare anybody to come and tell me that I do not have a right to exist in the media landscape of Jamaica. That is for the entire country, because it's not a private space. Next email. Boy, Raga, I am listening to you on my computer at work. But what you've been talking about these people is so true. I remember the first time I hear the English language is my first day at Monroe. And not even a sentence I could say in English, because I grew up in the deep rural country. But don't get it twisted though. I am fully and a full champion for mastering English. Anybody who do not want to master English in this day and age is essentially an idiot. But we are bilingual. And if you ask me, our first language is really Jamaican. It's not English. You can't have a first language and it's only a small minority of the people who speak it competently and well, when the greater majority speak another language. Next email, Raga, I want you to address this topic. Why is it that most members of parliament, cabinet, and anyone who is in upper management, CEO, COO, director, president in Jamaica, why are most of them of lighter complexion or white? Have you ever noticed it? What's your opinion on the subject in question? Well, we could get deep up into that, but it's a mix-up entertainment show, so we leave that for Ronnie Thwaites or Mutty Perkins or Barbara Gludon. Big up Mama Gludon, big up Barbara Gludon. Oh, Raga rate Barbara Gludon. And that must say without apology. Okay, parcel and church mix-up. Do remember you can't call the people them name when you rinse out the mix-up. And do not use information where we, even though if you don't call them name, we can pick up who you talk easily. You can't do that either. And if you call and we hear a radio in the background, the technical operator will cut you off with a quickness. That's how the thing set. Yeah? To the phone lines we go. Good afternoon, Mixup and Blenda. Greetings.
Good afternoon, Raga.
What's up?
Oh, I'm a first-time caller, but long-time listener. I enjoy your show.
Why, thank you so much. I'm glad that you do. So where I go down here now?
Yeah. Yes, Raga, I have a pastor mix-up for you, but I'm not going to give you the pastor mix-up right now. But I have another mix-up to give to you. I know this guy from St. Elizabeth.
Yeah.
It's in Balaclava.
Yeah.
And Raga, he have a baby mother, you see?
Yeah.
And every time him and that baby mother have a fight, the girl, she's from Clarendon. And she goes to Clarendon, she's back to St. Elizabeth. To Clarendon to St. Elizabeth. I went to the guy one day and I said to him, you know that girl have a man? And he keeps saying, no, he don't have nobody. Right now, Raga, the girl, 6 months belly, the girl bring down upon the man. Raga.
So wait. So tell him, say, inbreeder?
No, Raga, I know him breeder. And right, you know, Raga, the girl make me know, say, no, I know him breeder, you know, Raga.
But where the girl live right now? Where she ends out right now?
Right now, she there St. Elizabeth, Raga.
Well, then she have a 6 month belly and an inbreeder, and she there St. Elizabeth with him?
Yes, Raga, you know, so the man I live in Bugs Bunny.
Him a live in Bugs Bunny.
A Bugs Bunny that Raga.
Where you say a straight clown that? A Bugs Bunny that?
A street clown, a Bugs Bunny. I tell my brother Raga.
Eh?
I'm my brother.
Are your brother?
Bugs Bunny. Yes, Raga.
So wait, so him know for a fact say at the border man where she there with all this time, the next man we Pamar, breed her and thing, and him take her back in the house with 6 month belly and sickness.
Yes, Raga. Me say me go all the house in a Raga. Me go trace her off in about 2 minutes. Christian Raga. He's like a calmness, just come down for me in a Raga.
Yeah.
He couldn't trace her. Me have to just a counselor Raga. And she won't say she not supposed to make her body control her. She must control her body. You understand? And I think so she could have catch AIDS Raga. And all the things she depend, you know, if you eat me here, you know, if you eat me. Listen, me not eat me, eat your dirty ways, eat your attitude.
Oh.
And a young girl, this is going to make 4 pick me, you know.
4.
She have one to my brother, and 2 different one, and this belly now, Raga, none of the pick me them can make 1 Raga. If you ever see the pick me them, Raga, you can't believe it, Raga.
What happened to you pick them? What happened to you pick them?
Oh, them Maga.
Okay. So we...
Yeah, Raga.
So wait, then all your brother one Maga too?
Mr. Raga, me go down Raga, and it's 2 little them in the country, Raga.
Yeah.
And me look after a little picnic. When me came back to my brother say, oh, you're so fat, oh, you're so heavy. And he said to me, say, where you feeding pan? Me say, cornmeal porridge and soup.
Oh.
I feed her pan.
So hold on. So basically, I said the bee right, you know, she just a dash out the sickness and I free up with it and I breed up all about the place. And yeah, I said that are the heights of carelessness, basically.
Heights of carelessness, Raga, my brother, idiot, a Bugs Bunny, Raga.
Your brother Bugs Bunny, your brother cartoon.
In a cartoon, a Bugs Bunny. Bugs Bunny. I tell you.
Bugs Bunny.
Yeah, man, cartoon, my idiot.
So you talk to him about it and say him can't load up the things and I make him and go around the head and splash him up them here.
Of course, because Raga, in the day with one man already in a Raga. And in the house with you, man. I will tell him, say, don't build a house with you, man. Come and build a house for my land.
Yeah.
He make me know, say, no, sir, she's my baby mother, and if anything, I pick me the must get when me have. Me say, you're an idiot. I know, Raga, he says, in build a house with you, man.
Yeah.
You, man, kick him out, run him. You hear?
Well, on, so him put the house in a fear name?
Upon fear, Lanny Bill.
Upon fear, Lanny Bill?
Yes. And as in build a house with you, man, run him out.
Well,
I pack him up with jacket and carry him go court, Raga.
And carry him go court?
Yeah, I pack him up with jacket, Raga.
But it's all, what you say, your brother soft and fool?
It's a cartoon about Bugs Bunny.
Cartoon and Bugs Bunny.
Yes, if you ever see my brother in a Raga, you couldn't believe in a Raga.
In what?
If you ever see my brother, you couldn't believe. Nice time brother, I know sometimes I wish if I did my man. But I'm my brother, you can't be my man.
Okay. When you look at your brother, the way you look, you say, boy, I saw you that way your man look.
Right.
But you say, to your brother, you can't do nothing to.
You understand?
Okay.
And in their country, you know, Raga with the woman in a house, Raga.
But how old is your brother?
My brother?
Yeah.
My brother soon 40.
What? So
40, and I pay a little girl in pick up. In fool.
Fool.
Idiot.
Okay. So that be with the 4 pick, how old she is?
She not 28 in a Raga.
She not 28 and she got 4 picnic.
And she got 4 picnic.
And your brother soon 40.
Soon 40.
And they make them little girl a clown him and a go around him make them hear it.
You understand me, Raga? We should think of them here now.
Yo, enough of them smart, you know, man. Them smart, you know, man. I know for run the thing, you understand? So your brother need to learn the road code, but at 40-year-old, boy.
Yeah, I tell you.
Boy.
Yeah, I mean, I show him certain things, you know.
Yeah.
But him, boy, I'm just make this girl him have in my way. And that's some little idiot.
All right.
Understand?
But not say a word still. I blessings and respect, yeah?
Yeah, man.
All right, you take care.
care.
Yeah, man, cool. Clown him out to the max, yeah? Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Good afternoon, Raga. I don't really have a pasta mix-up, but I have a Viagra mix-up. I wait one name.
Box me in my class with a Viagra mix-up, you know. Yeah, what I got?
Yeah, my one cousin, she have a man.
Yeah.
But it come like a man and go up to fair standard.
Yeah.
So a man have a friend introduce him to the Viagra.
Yeah.
So I pronounce Raga Viagra.
Yeah, Viagra, right. Yeah.
Yeah. So one day, like when I'm at school now, so me hear mix up about a man now a certain district in a Clarendon. So a man, like say, him do it, but in medication, so if you take half, I pill 4 coming out, but then if you take half, so him take a whole 4.
Hold on. The Viagra say if you take half of the pill.
Yeah.
Oh, you can't have prescription where say if you take half a Viagra pill.
We don't know Raga, but that's what my cousin tell me after everything over. So I'm
well, I know for a fact say nothing. I don't know if you take 4 one time. So the man take 4 one time. Jesus. Him take 4 Viagra pill one time and what?
Sorry, my cousin I do things them now. Like my cousin say, no man, I know him this way no. So my cousin say, give me a minute, them I go pee.
Yeah.
So she run and go down a full house now. So when they at school, we see fire truck a pass. So we did their laugh. I mean, I don't know say my cousin in drama they go down pan.
Okay. So okay,
no,
go
the man called fire truck saying I am a burn up.
Tambourine! Him call fire truck saying I'm a burn up.
Yes, sir, guy name is on fire.
Can't go take 4 Viagra pill.
Some good or no.
Well, let me tell you something. Him damn lucky him still alive because the Viagra doing it really kind of accelerate your blood flow and all them something there, you know. Because you have some man are dead for heart attack and a Viagra, them a take and people are hold it down and not really load up the thing, you know. I make you know. You understand? I have had several big man friends it reach them. But anyway, what happened after that now?
Some go home now, somebody they laugh and I tell them. When everybody laugh when me attack. I'm some my cousin now laugh. So when I know she I tell us say she.
Oh, so you did get the mix up and never know say I
never know say she Raga.
Okay, so I rinse the mix up can and hear about it and I laugh and she does a whole her can and a jukey box. So only for find out say she did that me too.
And she fire.
So wait, him take 4 Viagra pill and did that done your cousin wicked done.
Yeah, Raga just say like I don't even because I one kind of old man in a Raga
and she young. So what you say your cousin have to run out of the house like thief, no?
Run like in here, news Raga.
And take it down and take the road feet and thing when the old man put on the 4 Viagra pills start out pan her down.
Old man that.
Yeah, almost mash up your cousin, she lucky she get when.
Raga for days you up there and I don't come down.
For days you up there?
The Viagra man.
And for days him up where?
It's thing we attack Raga and then go hospital.
What? Oh, okay. Oh, yes, man. I saw them think they go. So for days him instrument they at attention and can't go down.
Standing tall.
Standing tall. Last man standing. Nah go down. You see, nah drop out, you understand? So you say for days him instrument up in a ear and them have to carry him go hospital, go start.
Yeah, I can't go hospital.
I'm going to deal with it for him.
And that my cousin walk far from old man and be a young boy and I see more than now.
I'll be a young, but you know what is sad though? I don't know if your cousin know, you know. Strangely enough, you know. You know, I said enough of the young boy them I take Viagra too.
So me hear Raga.
Yeah, and them don't need it. But it's like a fashion thing out there now, you know, like if them want to go done something and mash up something, them think them need to take Viagra. You understand? And unfortunately, them arrange the things them out there with the Viagra. And they don't know one of the reasons why it's a prescription drug is that it's only supposed to be taken if you need it. So they're psychologically, them out there thinks that them need it to perform well. And them arrange the things them out there out the road. You see me?
But so the man could have killed her, Raga.
No, the man could have killed her. The man could have killed himself. Panar. No, a real thing, I tell you, you know, you have a whole heap of little man out there, you know, and some big man out there, you know, them abuse the Viagra thing, you know. Because the other thing is, you know, even if you take it one at a time, it's not something if you take every day, you know. Right? In terms of the dosage, you have certain dosage, you can't take it every day. You can't live on it, so. Right? And if you have heart problem and all them something there, or if you are susceptible to what they call cardiovascular diseases and so forth, it can cause all kind of complications that can lead to what is referred to as fatality. You're dead. You understand? And no woman want a man dead pan them, don't it?
Alright, Raga, you see like him always take it in but like you want to repeat now or experience and go all out in 4 of them.
Okay. But that is the other thing I get, you know, what them don't understand. With respect to Viagra, it help, you know. But there are certain stages where a man can reach where Viagra can't do nothing for him, you know. So out of desperation, some of them are stack up and load up. And thing, you know, say if that one an hour up, I'm shut all a quarter dozen. I see, you understand? And it mash them up certain way. Them be careful out there, all of the man them out there and thing, you know. We say, yeah, we like that little thing they do. We love a nookie dog. Can we keep it real? And we say nookie dog, but don't make the nookie kill, no. Don't make the nookie kill, no. Okay. A blessings and respect here. But him alright, you know, do.
As far as me, I'm kind of cool, I know.
So what about your cousin, you know? Your cousin, fire did reach your cousin, man.
Fire.
Go see her splash water. Anyway, a blessings here.
Alright, Raga, next time.
Yeah, man, you take care. Yo, you never brother Augustone too, you know, but this wasn't Viagra never come in at them time, man. You know where him go use, Richie? China brush, man. I brush him, go brush. But as far from what I have read, and I read extensively, China brush is just something you're supposed to tups, you know. You just a little tups, you know. Me say him, I him say wash. He must have said dip. He must have dip in the island, man. And thing, you understand? I mean, you see, after the man just shot the works and thing, I went in done, man. He could, hey, when them a carry out that go up on UC, is a tent. Them have to use cover up that, you know, man. It look like a tent, you know, not a real tent. I mean, the sheet upon him look like a tent. A beer joke down the Augustone, them. He was hoist. He was quite, deliberately chosen word, erect. Okay, here we go. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello? Yes, greetings. What's up? Yeah, man, what's up?
Oh, long time call. First time call, a long time.
All right, man, what you say, Papa?
Yeah, that's why I big up myself. That's why I just big up myself and the weekend, all of them.
Yeah.
But and another thing, that's why I big up all the blind man who have 2 man in their house one time.
The blind who? The blind who?
A blind guy. A blind man.
A blind man?
Yeah.
Who have what?
2 women in their house.
2 women?
One of wife and one of girlfriend.
One of wife and one of girlfriend?
Yeah, one of mother did dead. That's about in 2008.
What do you mean when his mother did dead? When his mother did?
The mother did dead.
Right.
And they come for the funeral and so them are clean up and things.
Yeah?
Yeah, then the 2 of them come over and things. So I'm going to stepmother know about the wife, my stepmother.
Only your
my father said.
What? Your stepmother didn't know about the what?
No, but it's my father, you know.
Your father. Your father was a blind man.
Right.
All right. Then tell me something now. The wife didn't know that your father did not do the things with the matey?
Well, the thing you see, the thing about it, the night when the house is full of you see even the middle.
What?
He was in the middle.
Who did in the middle?
My father and the stepmother was on the other side, and my mother on the other side.
Did your father do something with both of them? Or
yeah.
Oh, yeah, really? Well, you know, they say when you lose one sense, you become exceptional in the others, you know. So they say when you lose one sense, you know, the others become sharper. You understand? And more acute in their delivery, you know. So who to tell? He probably, the gentleman has some enhanced capabilities there, and he needs an outlet, you know, that can be activated in what is commonly referred to as a threesome. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, Raga.
Hello. Yeah.
Hello, how you doing?
Well, you know, somebody had a good God bless me and me give thanks.
Make you not stop. Make my sister husband stop quarreling. Say she not pay him no mind.
What, your sister husband a quarrel and say she not pay him no mind?
Yes, sir. And he spent 9 months suffering.
He spent 9 months suffering and then come down there and she want to do a listen Ragashanti.
She want to do a listen Raga.
So him say him not like when him attack to her and she just so focused on the radio that she don't even pay him no mind.
Him say him going to look back him security job.
Him there fired for 9 months and him going to look back him security job? Eh? And that him say?
Eh?
And that him say?
Yeah, I'm going to look back him job when him not did it at the time.
Okay. All right.
Somewhere I big them up.
All right, large them up indeed. And you take care too.
I'm a next week sister say for big up Nikki. We beat up plumber yesterday. That's the text me get since there. That's why I never call you.
Big up Nikki we beat up. You mean when she call in?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Now, yeah, man, big up Nikki from Balaclava. We done slubber yesterday, auntie.
All right, later.
All right, bless up here. Later. Pastor and church mix up with the on any other sample mix up on one rings out on the program here. Here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello.
Brother.
Whoa.
Well, going.
There, you know.
Me a call from morning. Me sick 2 days and the woman and you make me day go by.
No say a word, man. Why go down here now?
Not much. Me call for get 2 mix up. Big up the pastor, you see?
Yeah.
We done a cobbler. I text off a little church sister them. And I swipe them off.
I text them and I swipe them. All right. Now say nothing more. We don't want no more identifying information. But don't a cobbler him there.
Yes.
So all you know him a text a church sister them. Don't
worry about it. I rather big up one next one.
No, well, no, man. Pinch me a kind of give me an idea how you know, no, man.
No, sir.
What, you...
Can't give you no more. Just done a cobbler in there.
All right. Well, so hold on. You get any text?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Can't get none of me that we overseas, Raga.
Oh, where you call from?
I call from New York.
A New York you call from?
So
you stay in New York and you get the mix up from...
Don't worry about it.
So
we will over here getting news fast down there.
Okay, so some of your relative and friend them too.
No, me did down there the other day, so me here.
You know what? Okay, you pick up what okay, so what the other mix up, you know?
The other one is because the pastor man and see when wife came got caught for rape her.
The pastor wife carry him go to court for rape her.
He in a court right now.
Okay, but you know it is possible for a husband to rape his wife, right?
The husband rape his wife.
No, that's what I'm saying. But you know that is possible, right? Based on our husband behave when he take the things, a wife can charge a husband for rape. You know that, right? All right, so the pastor, wife, carry the pastor go court for say the pastor rape her. You know, so some pastor believes that once they're married, you know, them forget it anytime they want to. You know that?
And I rock a big pastor and every day in the power and I preach, you know?
For real? Like proper pastor?
Mr. Raga, if I see pants, see them in them pants.
Well on it. That the pastor when his wife have him at court, I charge him for rape. A big pastor with the parade all the way?
Raga, big pastor.
Well, Ruan, put in a song. 1 second here. Just put in a song. Put in a song. Quick, no man. Quick. But anyways, it's a blessing to them to mix up. There's a New York cold right here now, though.
Raga, because mother will go to church every Sunday and there's not one day when I listen to you.
There's nothing wrong with that. I only but church people listen to me, man.
Raga, sometimes we come and I say, you listen to Raga today? You listen to Raga?
All right, let's say a word. You take care here.
All right, Raga, you take care too.
Blessings and respect indeed. Yeah, man, we have to update the file, you know, and know who I do what is what and thing, you know, so we have to know about the pastor, the overcobbler, and thing, and I don't know anything. Okay, here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon, hello?
Hello, good afternoon.
What's up?
Not much.
Talk to me.
Raga, I'm calling about this, somebody called in yesterday and tell about a policeman that live in Franklin Town.
We'll talk up in that phone, not really here, but we get to a mix-up.
Yes, I'm calling to confirm that is true.
What is true, though? You tell me what is true.
What is true?
Yeah.
All right. She tell us, the uncle them, they take out the house our father left, right?
Yeah.
The father died in 2009. But before the father died, he was living in Seaview.
Right.
And it was she and her baby father would have take care of him.
Okay.
When him go hospital, him end up go back at the sister house at Franklin Town, that is a family house. Right? Anyhow, the man, after him do the surgery and thing, it look like him never da get better, you understand? Then him call him sister, and like, you know when people are dead, them always call you on one side and talk to you and telling them last wishes. The man last wishes was that for him daughter and the boyfriend to live at the house. If anybody forget the house, them two they forget it. Right? After the father did and everything and funeral arrangement, the girl...
But what is the mix-up, though? What is the mix-up?
I'm getting to the mix-up right
Okay.
Yes. So after the father did know everything, the girl over there live. And the sister will take care of him with one the place. So what them do, them get out the girl outside. Like Obia.
Okay.
So when she come outside now, right, she say, all right, them now get her father place like that. So she decides, say she gonna rent it out. When she rent it out now, the woman live in it and the woman start give her money. Then the uncle them go to the woman and say, them can't give her no more money and them to get the money.
Alright, well, lad, you see what I go on right just now? It's like a little, it's like a family drama with, related to who was the property bequeathed to, right? And it's a matter, them type of something must be resolved in the court if the family is unable to resolve them. You understand what I'm saying? And Tim, because what you're saying here is that the intentions of the deceased were not fulfilled. And that perhaps the young lady who called is in a position now where she wants some kind of justice, or she wants the matter to be corrected. But if them now in a position of authority, I go say, yo, them a lock the house because of them brother or whatever the case may be, then the courts have to get involved. You understand? I one of them thing there, But if I read it, so them bunks it on our arms house that, Arms house that for real. But not say
I really arms house because I'm last fitting that.
I'm last fitting. Okay. But she said them a will be her too, actually.
It looks because I don't know she wants salt, Okay.
You see, anytime you hear somebody I said them want salt and whatever and this and that, I'm not going to be honest with them, I keep it real. You see, them people who are say them salt. If you're looking at them lives, they are continuously making certain choices that are resulting in the things that happen to them. Very often you hear people that talk about salt. What reach them are choices them are making, and them just need to start make some different choices. And stop blame the world and supernatural powers say some saltness or obi I take them with that. So with all due respect to she probably a bunch of things certain way. I don't know if she too kind or she too simple or she make people take advantage of her or whatever the case may be. But she had do something where, make them think they reach her,
Okay.
All right. Let's say a word here.
All right then.
Yeah. People may know enough on don't agree with me with this, but you hear me say, who I listen a long time, you hear me say it. I'm going to say it again. Good luck and bad luck do not exist. Good luck and bad luck do not exist. For those out there who are living a life that depend upon luck, or wanna blame the rest of the world, say on a salt or something that people are doing the things that trust me. Every step of the way you are making some choices that is resulting in what is happening to you. Listen to me. Most of the people them with money, them not brighter than enough for get to our world. Them just have a formula for making choices. And them know when to drop something when I work for them. And them know when to pick up something where I work for them. And them know how to keep making choices, to keep the thing where I work for them. You understand what I'm saying, Rowan? Can I see some little game reaching the more time? I'm telling all the while, for example, there I say, Igla. And then the people who own the store them downtown, say them are entrepreneur and business people. And that thing is reinforced, with respect to certain awards that are given. But if you really think about it, you see them business people, them are eager to buy them buy and sell to just like you. The people in the arcade that buy them buy and sell clothes and shoes and this and that. You see people in a store buy them buy and sell clothes and shoes. In other words, them are eager to. But you socialize not to view them as eager. And the system don't view them as eager. The system give them a higher social status as businessmen and entrepreneurs and CEOs and COOs, chief operating officers and so forth and this and that. Granted, they may have a computerized thing. Granted, they may have a human resources department. But at the end of the day, they might buy and sell. The point me I make is they are doing something that is working for them. So enough time when I sit back and cuss up on people and this and that up to. What I need to do is drop back and see what they might do and study them and see what they might do and replicate it and then do it better. That has been the way business work for a long time. And with all due respect to the people, I'm not really getting on this and whatever. All of you hear me go on with my foolishness on this show and whatever. I sat down and I thought it out carefully. And I have a formula. When you're going into an enterprise, find out what works, repeat it, do it better, and then do it different. That is what works for me. Find out what works. Don't try to change the wheel and think say you're going, whatever. Do it, replicate it, do it better, and then do it different. And I submit to you that what is happening on this show is exactly what I'm doing, and I stick to my formula. Now, when you extrapolate and elaborate it, there are some nuances and things and whatever. But I find out what working at the media and at the radio thing. And you may not notice it readily, but it's all a plan. I replicate it. I do it better. At least me think so. And I do it different. I come up with a brand that don't exist before. And that is not put out there before, the Mixup brand. Because the most of people, them not brighter than me, them not smarter than me. And I then me learn them things from. And I implore them to do the same. And stop walking and say, I want to luck, I want to salt, so I want to give up, I want to luck with man, I want to luck with woman. Luck. It's not luck, it's choices. And if you live your life believing that whatever happens to you is a consequence of choices you make, and you truly believe that and function that way, then you will end up and hold yourself accountable in an empowered way where you make sure so you make choices that yield results and gains. And somehow afraid to make certain choices. Somehow I'll have some people now in their life are drown or down or dead with them still. Let them go. You understand? Somehow I want to pick the same striking man every time, and then I talk about, I don't know, I don't luck with man. And I the same man on the pick. Every time I the same striking man on the pick. Una man see me too. When I don't luck with woman, oh, woman wicked, so way. Somehow I spend the whole life I try change people. I spend the whole life I try teach people. I spend the whole life I try hope so the person come round. And if them not come round, leave them alone. But it's your fault if you keep making the choices that empower the people and who are drowned or down. You understand? If bad things are happening to you, at the end of the day, are your fault. No enough found I say, oh, them a thief the money in the government and this and yeah, you can't get it from bad things that are happening in the world. But how you deal with the bad things that are happening in the world at the end of the day are your choices. Any bad thing will happen to me, if me want it to stop, some choices me need to make and do things differently. You hear it again and them say it's cliche. If you keep on and repeat the same thing over and over, expecting a different result, you are a mad somebody. Do things differently. That's why I'm not play all some of the media people in the mind, who are telling me what me must do. Because enough of them enough of them bossy people in the media who dress up and tell you this and that. Them broke, Them broke and hungry. Them broke and hungry. Yeah, me know what me I talk about, I know who me I talk about. You understand? We live in a capitalist society, it's just reality. You must compete. And me not lie. Me in a life, if me have a woman, me want she wear good clothes to her, me want provide for her. And if my youth them come and whatever, me not make no apology for say me want them to go good doctor because you have good doctor and bad doctor, careless dirty doctor out there, whatever. And you have to work for it. And in work, you have to be successful. And you have to find the formula of success that people out there are using and applying it day after day after day. You think it's accident makes certain family rich and stay rich. It's not accident. They have a formula in place. And it's not rocket science. And they make it look like, say, oh, it just automatically fit them from because them white or because them this and that and whatever. It's nothing like that. Most of them people, I'm not found brighter than them. You're frightened if you know. But you want to hear the standard English when the things and them bright. You know how much people I know with Ph.D. and them are damn idiot and fool. When them out in the street, them can't survive one bit. But them ready to tell you, them ready to talk to you like, them no. Them have one saying, that people who can't do, them go teach. Well, sorry about that. I just segue into that right now. But too many Jamaica, too many out there type of people are over there. I don't know no luck. And Ninja Man, him in a jail, but God bless that the boy. Ninja Man say, "Una Jamaicans, the amount of things on blame Satan for." And if you listen to somebody who get up and blame Satan for things every day, listen to that. Show me somebody who get up and blame Satan for things, and I show you somebody who is not holding themselves accountable with it. Because when they blame Satan, it's not for them fault, you know. And if it's not for them fault, them cannot correct it. Give me a call. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah.
Brother, you know how long my day at All Star? Anyhow, I miss a button to the world, I miss a Joe Grind.
You said Joe Grind?
You remember Mr. 500 from last week?
Mr. 500?
Yes, man.
Remind me that one.
Last week in the Aussie and Bonaman thing, man.
Oh, yeah. You recall in the after part and arrange the thing them.
Yes, anyhow, I have something to tell you.
Yeah.
And for the whole entire Jamaica and the whole entire world now.
Yeah.
You know, say, swiping don't good for your heart, though.
You say swiping is not good for your heart?
No, man.
Why you say that?
Yes, when the sensation touch your heart.
Yeah.
It don't good. It sensation don't good for your heart, man. I give you a story.
What you mean? So when you are swiping, it go to your heart?
No, me not swipe.
What you mean you not swipe?
Hold on, man. Me a
so you know swiping bad for your heart, but you not swipe?
No, man. You know, say, you have a big man. Him all, you know, him never get swiped from the damn barn. And one day the old man say, you know what? A long time me people know how it feel, more feel it feel.
Yeah.
I see him get a young girl, get a young girl a good amount of money.
Yeah.
And the young girl sort him out, and you see the day when time the young girl sort him out, the same time the man pop like when they, you know, when they shake up Pepsi and you own it and the car fly off. Yes, so when time pop is a heart attack, he get right away and dead on the spot.
No, but that is not, the problem is not swiping, you know. The gentleman had a very good ejaculation right there that led to blood a fly up in her head, an artery problem and so forth and thing. And, you know, but I'm not swiping at the problem.
Swiping kill the man.
Well, technically, but what I'm saying, that doesn't mean that swiping is a problem overall.
Well, that was the swiping of death.
Well, him get a dead swipe. Him get a good swipe and mash up him meds and thing and drop him out right there. But remember saying, you know, when you're having an orgasm, you know, the body is in a super tense position and blood a rush all bout and you hyperventilate and all them something there, you know. If your body not healthy enough for angle that, you know, all kind of medical complications to reach you. I'm just not a healthy man.
Right? Hey, one thing I have to say. Yeah. Big up the company when you invasion.
No, careful now. Careful. You just call a company name. Easy. If I something about you, I go say about them?
No, man, that is not the correct name, man. Add on something to the name.
Okay, but careful, yeah?
The people know who the company is. There's massive people who work there.
Okay, you just call the company Invasion.
Yes, man.
All right, then that's the word.
All right. Tomorrow, no show member, you know.
Yeah, man, we're going to shout you, man. Yeah, man. Because you're going to do the debate and road. Because you have him number and thing road, all right? Okay, I will break with soon forward.
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm want to call and talk up the things them.
Yeah, man, we're up in 19th straight to the phone line. We'll go again. Good afternoon. Hello?
Good afternoon, Rago.
Yes, greetings.
Long time listener, first time caller. I'm the last caller that will call yesterday.
Oh, yes. That matter now, you know, with respect to your man and thing and the slippers and the dress where you cut up and all them something there and whatever. And you say, I could get a list of them an update what the situation was about.
All right, the situation is that I went to my fiancé house weekend 2 weeks ago. Uh-huh. And when I went there, I saw slippers in the closet. So the first thing I said, he bought me a slippers. Uh-huh. Then I took up the slippers, and when I looked at the bottom, it was worn. So at the same time, I said, if a slippers is there, something must be here. So I started to look around, and then I found the dress.
You found the dress, right.
I took up the dress, put them both in a scandal bag, and I came up and the other week, 2 days after, and carried it in Kingston. Yeah. Where I spent time and I cut it up nicely. A week before last week when I went down, I took it back and put it back where I found it. But I don't, to be honest, I don't know if my fiancé knew it was there. So I don't blame him on that because he might know as well as he don't know.
Right.
So we went out for dinner that Saturday night now when I brought it back the Friday night. And I said to him, right in front of his daughter, I said, by the way, I saw slippers and a dress in the closet. Who it belonged to? He started to accuse me that I went to sniff out information from the helper, which is no, because the helper is very fast.
Right.
Because that Friday, even when I found it, I was going through the door and she was coming in with a basket cover alone, and I found it to be very suspicious.
Right.
Because she said she can't manage the stairs because sometimes when I go down on Friday, she give me clothes to bring up, so I found it very suspicious. So when I said it to him, I said, no, I didn't snoop out any information from the helper. She's the one who said to me that you are asking for the slippers and the dress.
Okay, but we had to reach a point, basically, where it sounds to me like you tell me, say, you know, say, I born your man again, but you're good because you know where you stand. What that mean?
Because you asked me the question, if he was to admit to me that, yes, him have a girlfriend, what would I do?
Right.
Right. And I was trying to let you know that I wouldn't feel anyway because I know him and where I stand is only a one-night stand. I know him like that, rather, trust me. He will flirt around, I know, but he will not come straight up to me and say, yes, me have a woman. He's not going to do that.
So you say any woman him probably asleep without that then? Mm-hmm. It not going to be no permanent thing as far as you're concerned.
Right.
That could just be a side thing. It won't just be for the sex then?
Probably, yes.
And you don't have no problem with that?
No, as long as it not really throw it in my face. Because when I say that lady bright, even if you go to a man's house and you don't see nothing, don't leave any evidence there.
No, but you see, when a woman want the man, them do these little things for mash at the top. Listen to me, you have some woman, them walk around with earring knob, for example, and them leave them where them know, say, the woman are going to find it, Them will leave it in the laundry, in the clothes, them will leave it in the settee, and the next thing, what woman do, for example, them just take out little pieces of them here, and them leave them here, but because women see here quicker than men,
Because I was looking for ear under the pillow when I went there, and he noticed it, and he didn't say anything to me.
No, and what I'm saying to you is that you are saying she should not do that.
She shouldn't leave it.
But when me I tell you is that you don't know what she want or what she thinks she there.
Yes.
She may want to take him over fully. And if she want to take him over fully, when enough of them women they do, them do some sneaky little things for cause problem between you and him.
That is true.
You understand?
That is true.
So then she would deliberately leave the slippers there. Do them little thing there for you see it because she probably carefully plot her thing and want to mash up on the thing so she can lock the man. Because from what you tell me, it sounds like he's a good man you have.
A very good man.
All
very
right.
well known in a certain,
Well, understand this. You see, if you have a good man, trust me, other woman notice the same good too.
True.
And you have a whole heap of woman, particularly in this day and age, them no ram for go take over a man. No for them I say them not take man, them take over a man.
Over a man,
yeah. That I talk out, So you, me just make you know the 100 pound them little thing there, you see me?
I know, and also too, him used to tell me sometime when, we kind of suspect something, that him we go out there to get Mr. Oral or whatever you call it.
Okay. Okay.
Oscar, so with that.
You don't swipe?
No.
You don't swipe?
No.
And then you strongly suspect that some time when him go out, they're going to do him thing and show him one woman for swipe him?
Yeah, and him tell me him do that, so I don't have a problem with that.
What, him tell you say him do what?
Him go get that.
Your man, you say you're there with him for 13 years?
Yes.
So your man who you there with for 13 years tell you say him go out, they're going to get swiped from other woman?
Yes.
And you don't have a problem with that?
No.
But you know it's enough time when a man gets swiped to him get sort out too.
No him. Him can't do no sort out.
Him can't do no sort out?
No. So I don't know if him think when him go out there to a younger girl, if him thinks him go feel alive and well.
Hold on. Oh, you know him can't do no sort out?
Him can't do no sort out.
Hold on. That can't go up.
No. And him no hide and talk it. I tell you, him is a very jovial person and we talk things like joke. If you not understand him serious. Him talk it sometime in front of people and me I say, him crazy, you know. But certain people
him talk it say him can't get that thing there for work, so I just swiping him say.
No, him not use that part. Him would say, no, I can't whatever up. But him not mention the swiping part.
Him not mention the swiping part, but he make people know say that can't go up.
In a certain circle though, not just everybody.
Well, me understand that. But between me and you then if him can't get that up and the swipe, you know, what you want him do?
Well, he do that to me.
Oh, him do that to you?
Yeah.
So as far as like fulfillment in other area the concern, I just him do it to you?
Yeah.
And you don't do it back to him?
No.
Okay, so...
And we have an understanding. I really love him, he love me. I know his parents, I know everybody, and they all love me because we're looking forward to go to Europe. You know
Who's looking forward to go to Europe?
Yeah, we go every December.
Okay, but my question to you, and I'm sure there are other people listening to you, and a little bit perplexed and I'm confused about it. This is somebody you've been with for 13 years, right?
It wasn't all of that. It wasn't like that throughout. It's just recently.
Recently, okay.
Yeah.
But you sound like somebody, and I'm probably wrong here or whatever, but you sound fairly young.
No, you know me. You remember when you had I came and I tell you that I dream you were sorting me out. I came in my nursing uniform when you were down by Chelsea.
And you told me that, you're a nurse.
I dreamt, yeah.
You gave me the detail that you dreamed that I was sorting you out.
Yes.
Oh, I remember you.
Yes.
You have natural hair too or something.
Right.
I remember, but you're a very attractive and pretty woman.
Thank you. Well,
with all due respect, you're quite shapely, quite, you're quite alluring, inviting, and you have a jovial personality yourself, and you're quite witty yourself. You're a sexy woman.
Thank you.
But
how young you think I am?
Well, my best guess is, listen, can I be honest with you?
Yes.
As a man, I learned that when women ask you that, don't follow them, go down the road. They do.
So you can't guess based on how you glance me at once. And then, because you say I sound pretty young.
30s? 30s?
No, I'm in my 40s.
You're in your 40s?
Yes.
Okay, no, but I'm sure I'm not the first person to tell you you're in your 30s.
No.
Okay, all right then. But nonetheless, you are, still 40s or whatever. I guess my question to you is, given that you're committed to this man, you've been with him for 13 years, and him can't do nothing, in other sense, there, in terms...
Not all the time.
So that thing that cannot work really well. Well, it's not as effective as it used to be.
As it used to be, yes.
Right. Is this, so are you prepared to just have him service you that way for the rest of your life with him, and that's it?
Yeah. I am not to be honest, I am not, what do you call it now? I think I have a disorder too, which I don't mind. I don't know if it has anything to do with past experience when I was younger, but I like the way I am. I'm not, the type of person who is...
Are you telling me that you're not really enthusiastic about sort out?
No.
Huh?
No.
You're saying you're not, right?
No, I'm not.
Getting sort out is not a big deal to you?
No.
It's not a priority to you?
No.
You can be happy and go through life and without getting sort out. So
once in a while, yes.
Once in a while, but it's not something where, like...
if I don't get you, I go crazy.
Okay, you can have a productive and fulfilling life if you don't get sort out.
Right.
And if the gentleman just give you the little swiping there.
I am good.
And you're quite fine with that.
Yes.
But why you think your dream say me did I sort you out then?
Me don't know. Must because I listen to you sometime when I'm in class. I read my earphone, my ear, and the girls them saw me laughing, and they will, Raga, yeah, listen to Raga girl, and I saw them go on.
But can I share something with you about dreams
then? Yes.
All right. Across the world and in Jamaica, people interpret dreams in a predictive framework. Like them say what the dream mean about something we're going to happen. In truth, dreams don't tell you about what's going to happen,
Yes.
In truth, dreams are unconscious reflections of your experiences. Sometimes way in your past, sometimes recent.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So, dreams kind of, you see, when you're a dream, you not control your thoughts, So you can't consciously repress this and hide this.
Right.
So you see, when you're a dream, what in your unconscious or your subconscious, it just free up and come out.
You serious? I didn't remember go to bed with you on my mind.
No. But that is just the point I'm making. What the point I'm making is, it's not necessarily a Ragashanti issue,
Oh, I see.
It is not a Ragashanti thing.
Mm-hmm.
I'm saying it's a sex thing.
Oh, I see.
So, in other words, if you start listening to this artist and you get just really into his songs or whatever, chances are you may dream say he must start you out too.
Okay.
So, but you don't think that there might be some unresolved little sex related thing there going on?
With me?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't really think about it. I just trying to put my schooling ahead, so I don't really think about that right now.
Are you a happy woman right now?
I am quite happy. I'm telling you. To be honest, to say if it was one time.
Yeah.
If it was way back when I just met him, I wouldn't sleep. I would be so, frustrated and stuff. But I tell you, I was so nice to him that night.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, but you see, that's key to, because very often people are talking about possible problems, and I think I want to all kind of problem and crosses from people and tell them there's something wrong with them, and they fail to ask the person, are you happy?
Right.
And what you're saying is you're happy, which means that nobody life not perfect, but
not at all.
You are at a stage right, where you have some kind of method where you work for you. Work for you, and you happy.
Happy as a lot.
And you feel good.
Yep.
And you know what you can work with when it comes to your man. And somebody may listen it and don't even to understand why and think, but you know say it work for you.
It work for me.
Then it goes so yeah, baby.
Yeah,
it goes so yeah. It goes so.
Yeah, Raga, I love you. I enjoy your program. You make me laugh. Trust me, I learn a lot from your program. I've been listening from way back. Right. You do a lot to us. Trust me, because the stress of the day, it's horrible.
Okay, no, but that was the intention,
Yes.
My thing, because the show was in the morning before, right?
Yes, and I know. Yes.
And I deliberately asked myself when I laying out my plan. I said, one, what are my strengths? So I identified my strengths. Okay, and I said, what can I be true to? Because it's a big thing for me. Because I find that it's easier to be yourself if you can't get a job where you can be yourself, then it's easier for you.
It's true.
So honestly, I was just looking for something where I don't have to come and be like, well, the climate in Iran today is reflecting on long-standing. It just don't work for me.
Yes.
I mean, it's not a 9 to 5 man. So I find my strength. I'm gonna find something I can be honest with.
Yes.
And then I look on the landscape and I'm strategically say, but wait there now. A laugh program not there. The talk show them everybody serious.
Boring and tired.
And then when you see the stress for the people, I would argue, you see what you just said, with all due respect, enough of them people, them bright people, them boring, no clock, don't it?
I didn't like to hear them.
They're just bright, and them boring, and they're very repetitive. And if you listen to them just I say the same thing over and over.
Thank you, and you're not doing nothing. That's what frustrates me. Nothing.
You hear what we say? Them bright people, if you listen to them carefully, they're basically regurgitating the same thing over and over again. And they would have you believe that is progress and they're advancing and whatever.
I know, I'm as well.
But you hear the joke now. You see, outside that, when they come off a radio and TV, they play the same game when we play.
I know.
They must survive and they must look into.
I know.
And they must feed them family.
Yep.
And they play the game and them shut them eye and them don't see what them nothing see. You understand?
True.
But put them on radio and whatever. So when we see all that, I say, yeah, right now, me I going to do something different,
We street smart. We know the thing run.
And we see the need feet out there because the people them want something to laugh about and kick up and carry on about it and them other language and them other things.
And it's shot, it fell off. Trust
see,
me.
there the people them want to talk about things that people are talking about parade. You think every day people want to hear about GDP?
I hear about people, sir.
I think like that. People want to hear about how February month and
April month.
So listen, I am very, very happy that you got it.
Yes.
And one of the things I always tell my students when I was teaching is that the greatest thing about teaching, is that it provides an opportunity for you to always learn.
True.
So you see my little reasoning with you a while ago.
Yes.
But you probably don't know it, but you gave me gifts just now. Right?
I love your sexy body. Your body died for it now. I hear a girl call her yesterday and I talk about your body. Right now, Raga, I just came in from school. I'm in my bird suit.
Your what? Your bird suit?
Bird suit, yeah.
Okay. You're in your birthday suit right now?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. And, no, but your body still well too.
Yeah, thank you.
Everybody still.
But hold on, no. You're my little man. I tell me all the time.
Yeah.
But me don't understand when I say to me, no. Oh, you see, you're getting old. You're losing your posterior. You're losing your light bulb.
Yeah.
And then something them I tell me, no. But me not listen to him. Me just say to him, listen, honey. I know that me you're a road when me walking on me. You're different something from where you are telling me. So you can go and talk.
No, well, he's probably compensating for his deficiencies. Men do that. Unfortunately, no, may I be real with you. A lot of time when man drop off a farm in a certain way and they feel threatened, they start identifying faults.
I know, and it doesn't bother me.
Yeah, and it don't bother you. So no
PM. Just laugh and rub down him head.
No PM no mind with that, yeah. No PM no mind with that. But listen, I really enjoy this conversation with you.
I appreciate talking to you and you listening to me.
Yeah, man, and I wish you all the best in what you do. And again, you're happy, and that's what matters.
Yes, and him love me like cook food.
See that, baby. Blessings and respect, yeah?
Take care and take care of that sexy body of yours.
Why, thank you, darling.
You're most welcome. Bye-bye.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Yep. Oh, here goes to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Yeah, Ragashanti, sir.
Whoa.
You know, some of the situation and want to load up on the radio.
Yeah, okay.
That's really a mix-up, so it's all the good thing I reached me last night, you see me?
I think we reached you last night.
Yeah, man, Miracle Brunswick supermarket there, see what I say?
No, hold on, stop. You just identified it.
No, man, is that a mix-up, man? I mean, I come home from work and I had my ride bicycle and thing, and I'm going to kind of support on my pocket.
Hold on, talk uploader, eh?
I said my wallet drop out of my pocket on my ride. With my license and PSR and everything there night. So I say, from to Joe Blaine my ride. So I say,
yeah.
I say, if anybody in that area, between Brunswick and Willowdene, if anybody find my wallet, just only come much in there, I can't take the much, and if I want the wallet, I can't take the wallet. But I need the ID and I need the PSRA because I can't work without it.
You need the ID and the PSRA. What is the PSRA?
Well, it's a private security license, you know.
Okay. So what they must leave it if they want to leave it, so?
Well, they can leave it at Brunswick supermarket or they can call me. Can call me, give me number on the air.
Okay, you get them now.
Number 5840934.
5840934.
Yeah, I can't leave it at Brunswick supermarket because that's some work. Most of the people them know me still.
You want to tell them your first name?
No, I just give them my last name, All.
All. Your last name is All. Okay, yeah, All right.
Well, my ID, my name and everything. You know, so.
Okay. No, we do them, so people just leave it at Brunswick supermarket if you have it and tell them, say, find it and things. Somebody must take out the money so you find it, so you leave it.
They can leave it at the total gas station too, right on the Brunswick.
All right.
Or the supermarket. Respect, Raga, and go on there thing. Yes,
let's say a word my family, protection and strength, Mickey.
All right.
Yeah. Okay, to the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Yes, Raga. I'm Yikale with the Anthem about the church mix-up.
Now we hear a Walipa church mix-up. Which one?
The Monday we did the woman there with her son-in-law. Them two there.
The woman there with her.
Yeah.
Oh, the mother where I take her daughter, man.
Yes.
Eh?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So what you said?
Well, I want different one. This one, no. This girl, well, I'm a cousin still.
Hold on. Why am I hearing a Walipa breathing in the phone like? What's what going? Eh?
I don't know.
Okay, no, but I heard from the caller before. I know I heard from you. Okay, go on talk.
Yeah. I'm a cousin. I bring her man in her mother bed.
Your cousin bring her man in her mother bed?
Yeah.
What the mix up there?
That's a mix up.
That is not a mix up, darling.
Always I bring her man in her mother bed.
Hold on. When she bring them in her mother bed, the mother dead?
No, her mother not dead. Then the same night, the mother come home, the mother bring her man in the same bed.
Darling, that's not a mix up, man. You know why that's not a mix up?
Why?
For example, people do that all the time. Them parents are dead and them bring on them man and thing.
No, but a big picnic at 20.
No, me know, but I'm saying that a common thing. When the parents are not dead and them go shut it in the sofa, shut it in the bed. That is not a mix up, you know? That's not a mix up.
Well,
really.
anyway, them same one, them don't know to wash them pantry. Them always take it off and put it on in basket for months before it wash.
Okay, and that's a nastiness.
Yeah, them nasty.
Because you're not supposed to put, because according to many Jamaican women, you're never supposed to take off your underwear.
And put it down.
Women never supposed to take off them underwear and put it down.
Wash it out and put it down.
They must wash it out during the week, put it down, and then on the weekend, you get a full wash with some other sitting and then put it for sun. And that's what I say, right?
Well, them not do that.
And them not do that.
For months.
Them wear them underwear and put it down for months and then eventually wash it.
2 months before they wash. And when they wash, I will eat the panel line.
Okay. So we had a big debate about that about a year ago, you know.
Yeah, but they hear it.
No, you hear it, but you don't think it's unfair to say to women, if the argument is, if a woman end up and wash, I put out a whole heap of underwear online, sometimes I have some 20 and 30 and the argument is people think that woman has been saving up the underwear them. No, that's what I think, no?
Yeah, that them man do save it.
So the idea is that any woman who put out a whole heap of underwear online is a nasty woman.
Yes.
No, but that is not necessarily true. Because remember, you have a whole heap of woman who actually wash out the underwear them and put them down and them save up.
Yeah, but then do it a weekend time. So if you see like us, like 14, and know so well that for the week.
14, an average of 2 a day. So when you see the 30 and the 40 underwear them now, and then put them out and them out, put all of the yellow together, all of the red together, and them have close fit for match them and whatever. You see as much, a 3 line of panty, you see as much as them have put them out, you see a nasty woman them there.
Yeah, them nasty. Wipe up and change your panty. Wash the face.
Okay, we can't get into too much details in that here. Because children listening, but in terms of hygiene, you're saying that's a height and nastiness.
Yes,
and some sink people
them panty na wash for 3 months, and same for them na bathe for 3 months.
And them say wipe up, no?
Yeah.
As I said, to wipe up people.
Yeah.
You have to
wipe
watch.
Up and wash face.
You know, say them people, with all due respect, I'm going to keep it real. You know, say Raga keep it real.
Yeah.
You know, say when I grew up years ago, and Ruan and Richie, when I listen to this, because I don't know if I go through this. You know, I could never understand it. Our woman will comfort and you smell one part of her body and it fresh.
Another part.
And you smell another part of her body and she green. And I say, but how that? How that?
Wipe up.
You know when they wipe up and then wash them hands. So when you hold the hand and the hand fresh, you know.
It smell like the soap.
Yeah, it smell like the soap. So by the time you go so rough and back up that and all that, up in that chest part there, you say, but then I hope you say so green. And thing, you understand?
Yes.
And the wipe up people, them and that we find out is that the wipe up people them do.
Yes.
The wipe up part
them
fresh, you know.
Sweet. Them don't beard.
But the part where them things say nothing whatever this. Because y'all smell all a calf right, you know. All a knee, you know. Right? All a chest, or them back. I mean, I'm more time, you know. I mean, you know, the back. And, because, you know, women back sensitive. No, your back sensitive.
Yeah.
Yeah, some more time, you know, goes on a buzzer. And then the back not smell too right. Because you know, so they couldn't reach back there with the wipe up, you know.
Know.
One way if you know if a person is clean, them back, that is always a giveaway, the back.
Yeah.
And that's what them always are ignore. Trust me, man. All man feel listen this. If you want to know if a woman clean, you smell her back regularly. Because a part of the man. Yeah, between me,
yeah.
You see when you massage them, rub the skin, and if the dirt rub off in your hand, you know. That's my little secret, you know. When me meet that woman and me start to think of that, when she think me a massage, she don't know, say it's a beard check me I make, you know. It's a beard check me I make. Because sometimes when you rub the skin and you feel the dirt just roll up under your finger thing and whatever, you know them don't beard good. Them don't beard good.
Yeah, well, them nasty.
Wipe for them.
Beard. I love talk about me, I listen to you for about me, I mix them. Say, no, right.
Tell them, say we beard. Tell them, say when we beard and when we swap up, we make sure, say when we swap up the water not dirty when we wash it off. Can't for them don't even know that. Swap up, you must swap up, till the water don't dirty when you wash it off. I want to them and we say clean.
But make sure you know, say when I mix up with those love talk things.
What do you mean about Jude's about clean? Ever clean?
That me tell you.
All right, take care of yourself. Them are reading news. Yeah, put us. You take care. Go.
Yeah.
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm want to call and talk up the things them.
Okay, to the phone lines we go. Mix up time. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hi, Raga.
What's up?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Oh, yeah, Raga.
Eh?
You know who we are talking?
No.
Sexy Fluffy.
Sexy Fluffy.
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
You know who? You pick up a who?
Man,
I'm come at the top of my tone, man.
Oh, yes. Yeah, I remember now. Why go down here? No, I remember now. Sorry. What you say?
My Raga, I have a mix-up for you. What happened to me last night?
Box me, I'm watch it, not with it.
But hey, last night, my boyfriend come pick me up. And me and him go on the road to have a drink and eat 2 fish or something.
See it there?
So his friend them a call him saying him friend a keep one dance. So I'm over 4 more way over near to where me live.
Yeah.
I'm say well let's go at the dance.
Yeah.
As me stepping at the dance, one of the bartender free me. That's a woman me a talk about, you know.
And another woman a pray, you know.
Yeah, one bare-faced lesbian girl a look me in front of my man.
Okay, but what she do make you say she bare-faced? She have to do something, what she do?
Yeah, I know Raga.
Yeah.
I'm saying, as me go in, the girl does, you know when, like a man, a woman some eyes and something.
Yeah.
Like you know when a man like you and something.
Yeah.
I see him so the girl I look for me and I give me some eyes.
See it there. And then
every minute she draw close to me. So me I make I pinch my boyfriend and I tell him I make him know what go on. He must not pay them girl in a man.
Hold on. She did look butcher or she did femme? She did butcher or she femme?
I don't know, because one at the time her phone ring and two she want me to hear. But she
I mean say how she look. She look butcher or she look femme?
No, she dressed like woman and something.
Okay, go on talk. And then what me I know will lead up to the mix-up.
Me say, Raga, the girl wish for me to stand up, me never know say at the walkway for going through the counter.
Yeah.
So the girl, my uncle feel when somebody rub down my leg. And when me look at the girl down there rub down my leg and then she take time push me away. Like she has make me come out her way for she pass.
Okay. Look at general shape, yeah.
Yeah. Then she got a bathroom and like she in the bathroom long like she da expect me to come in there.
Okay. It did cross your mind? It did cross your mind?
Yeah.
For go in there, no?
No, I want to hear again.
No, me just ask. Okay. Yeah, is that
no,
one?
I'm pick up the rate.
Okay, yeah.
I'm say, no man, me I go really see what that girl up to.
Yeah.
So the girl just like one man a look at her.
Yeah.
So she want me to hear so she a lesbian. She a go tell the man say she don't want him. If him have a nice girl, he must carry her come make she deal with her same.
Okay.
I'm say I want to that girl. I mean she wants to hear her, you know.
Right.
I tell my boyfriend. I'm say the girl. One time I got a bathroom, I'm feel well want to hurry up and use the bathroom and come out because I'm afraid to she will come in the palming.
Right.
Mr. Ragan, the girl come, she just watch my boyfriend. Every move her, come near to me.
Right.
One time my boyfriend go to her door and she come side of me and I say, yo, Fluffy, you look nice, you know. Yeah, they don't say you look nice and everything.
But in the interest of time, what really happened like go down to me time matter now? What did that? What should do?
My boyfriend come out and she go ask me for my number now. I asked me for my number and my boyfriend come at the same time and she hurry up and put the phone in her pocket. I say, Raga, the girl go on with something, the girl a long out her tongue and a wheel her tongue and one man in there now, him, you know, say him a big swiper. And the two of them in there cuff them one another. Because she say she wants him, she will swipe with him girl from him. And the man long out him big long tongue, Raga. And the man long out him big long tongue and I say, girl, your tongue no long like mine.
All right.
Can't reach.
Yeah, but them not really allow for going at them details here. But basically, your boyfriend cut and thing allow her out, yeah?
Yeah, Raga.
Okay, you say it was it was over a bar at Portmore.
Yeah, a Portmore.
Okay, all right then. That's a word here. You got to just stay safe and sitting. So things set out the right hand. All right?
Yeah, Raga, I want to pick up one lady. I want to grow. But me and I cuss over here every day. So I tell her, say me and your wife and share the meeting. Every day I go to shop, Raga, I want you big her up. Every single day I go to shop, she cuss me over your Raga.
No, sir, word.
I can't buy in peace.
No,
but
sir,
I tell her, say I'm here the wife and share the meeting.
All
So
right.
say me and I come on your show December.
That's our word, man. Blessings and respect here. What's your name? What's your name? Now say her name.
No, I'm not saying her name.
All right, then better big up the lady over Watson Grove. Everything is everything.
Just big up the miserable woman over Watson Grove, Gregor Park.
It goes so, baby.
Stop.
It goes so fluffy. All right, take care here. Manners and respect. Here we go to the phone lines now. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, Raga.
What's up?
Not much, my son. I'm my husband in a one. My cougar, I'm my old man. But me love you like my son because I just love all your juggle things and love your mother, you know?
Yeah, man, we give thanks.
Fishy, man. Remember Fishy?
Fishy, if remember Fishy?
Yeah.
Yeah, ask me if remember Fishy.
Yeah, Fishy when they call you and tell you so the mate love the wife love the mate fish. When we go to New York, man.
I'm going.
And when we send up anything, she want my fish.
Oh, yes. Remember that. But you see them question there, you have to clear with them question. Because if you ask me, remember Fishy, you know. It's I'm not quite sure what you ask. But yeah, so what? Yeah.
You're some tush man.
Yeah.
I'm not going to call the name of the bank, but bank manager.
Yes.
Them not like you, Raga.
Yeah.
Because them tush and drive them big vehicle and them money.
Yeah.
And then go like them proper with them English.
Yeah.
But another tush woman them want to know. I really get a girl them want to know. Me not talk to one, you see?
Yeah.
In the like indecent. According to him, in the like bad word then.
Right.
Indecent language.
Right.
And when him reach the brim, at the bucket, a pure bad word in cross.
The whole of them is a set of hypocrites.
You understand that code there?
Yeah. When him reach at the brim of the bucket.
Yes.
Oh, I be a bad word in cross right at the brim of the bucket.
Yeah, but the bad word sound different from where you that cuss a bad word.
Tambourine! It's an uptown bad word, no?
Yes, the bad word has the English in it.
That's how when the sit not connect, no? Yeah, that's how when the sit not connect, man.
Yes.
And it just cuss a bad word.
Yes, man. When
it reach, right? Yes. Because if you come here, you are going to reach, you know.
Rather, when I look in my man's face, this man cuss bad word.
I tell you, say you never cuss bad word when it reach.
I couldn't use them the language amongst him.
Well, I wish I never read it with them. I can't just kind of imagine how he say it, you know. But don't he must say, oh my God. Oh!
Hey. When me come here, my mother rap, rap like two sisters, you know.
Yeah.
And my mother knew him everything. And I said, when I reason with the mother and tell my mother, the mother fall down off her stool where she sit down, you know.
She
can't believe saying cuss bad word.
Enough of them, man. That's why we don't pay them no mind because them are hypocrite. Them are do the things them. Hey, you know say somebody up at university have all kind of problems with me, right?
Yeah.
And it's a girl from jungle, man. I can't tell you where she come from. And she come tell me, say, the man done me every day. Every day. And a married man will live uptown, you know.
Yeah.
And him I start out the girl from jungle, you know. And whatever. And she said she and him catch up, because I say, him don't think, say, given my education, I should be speaking like that. It's not a...
Okay.
Whatever. But then, you know, why she come tell me, what she said, Raga, and listen carefully, you know. She said, Raga, if him going to eat you for that, I can't use the language that she use, but Raga, you can't pick up on that. But
I get a girl.
Yeah, yeah. But she said, she basically said, Raga, if him going to eat you for that, why am I do you know, whatever me? You understand?
Yeah.
And fear reason was, it's like she said, but Raga, I see something in you, what in me.
Amen.
And him a done you.
Yeah.
But him come there and I ring something, but me and you is just the same in certain ways. You understand?
Of course.
You understand?
They love to get to girl, man, because their wives can't deal with them way.
It's a love-hate thing. And them keep the thing in a darkness. You understand?
Amongst them friends, them now, but tell them friends it's a Trenchtown or a Jonestown or a Greenwich Farm girl, then there is a Maxfield girl.
That's why enough time, when, with all due respect, enough time when they get a woman them in them position, they may not lie. And them have them look at problems with them uptown man and them come talk to me. Me straight with them. I say, listen to me right now. No. Now care what you hear that man I tell you, you know. You see, if him not move so and so and so and so, yeah. I use him, I use you. So you must know. You
when have Christmas party,
yeah.
and so the wife used to travel hard.
Yeah.
In buy me the nicest gown a lord and lady, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, nice shoes, nice car. Me not ugly. Me not shape bad.
No.
And nails and can, you know.
Yeah, me not this thing, you know. Me just I say at the end of the day, though.
At the end of the day, you know, and a year one.
And a year one, and them no care how them whatever roll with you certain way, you know, them uptown people, them still not make you cross certain lines.
No, they don't want them people, them uptown.
Well, them will buy the Lord and Lady dress gear, you know. But you're not wearing, them not carry you in the Lord and Lady dress go them cocktail party.
No.
You understand?
No, that's for the big top.
Right, so I always tell people, I say, you must know where you get out of it.
Try to take where you can't take it from them.
That's why sometimes the woman them roll them with them, me not really mind.
Trust me.
Me not really mind. Because basically, them are you, basically.
Me money, me answer when he's a funeral. I say you can't come. Can't remember some of my people are going to there now.
Okay.
And take off a funeral money. What do you Raga the next thing with him, you know, I'm straight when he go to them, friend them round a table, like we used to go turntable.
Yeah.
And sit down on the table and the man them a talk outside.
Yeah.
And gentlemen, don't do this argument. You come to have a drink, have him to a mash me. Instead of mash me on that table.
I mash you on that table, I tell you, you better not say nothing, you know.
I'm not speak like man, so can I try to speak language.
So,
Things language, as me even start to talk, now I will end up in my podcast. Some more time, I just smile.
So, hold on, when them talk about the swiping thing or whatever, him basically I go like him in it and
you go like him not do it.
And I step on you two on that table, say, try nobody say nothing, you know.
No, done the dirty argument, all them weird.
You know what that mean? Him basically I tell you, say, don't inform upon him tongue. No, I even just give him a look. Him have a license fire. Yo, they will kill for them. Let me tell you something. You see them people that understand this.
My God.
As far as they are concerned, you are who you are in public. And that them why you believe, you know.
I tell you.
That what you see in public is who they are. And what is in public is what matter.
I tell you, man, right? Whole pretend and hypocrite out there, brother.
Not hypocrite them. Me not look upon them.
Anybody come on, they would never believe any of them things there.
Yeah, them a do the things. Them suppose you hear some things where them uptown people they do some freaky sitting there when I
stick power ragga.
Don't pay on mind. Don't pay.
You pay me like that, you can't tell me if you do. But you go to church, you should not listen to ragga.
You see.
You say you're idiot, you know how much time I lay down in my bed and just a smile off my face. If me never have ragga, me learn a lot. I'm a laugh all by myself in a medical butchery me one. Me enjoy your program. I'm a pray for you. I'm a love you, ragga. And any of me did that money, you me that spend it on you, but through me poor. That is the cool guy would be for Raga.
Don't say all right. So wait, you that spend money for me and take care of me.
I could have money till it drop off for you, but that's still.
You that still spend your money for me.
I drive a Jeep, I give you a Benz, new.
Sure.
So I'm a little young boy, I'm going to be the best, man. What do you, man?
What the mad?
Can you believe, you know, if you can buy me a watch, now 50 grand, I can buy you one for 100, you know.
What? But you want...
That is all Capricorn.
But watch out, you there attack.
Nobody wants to say you're mine, man.
No, you're not busy if nobody wants to say you're mine, man.
No, because the man can't give you. Why can't you give him too?
Thank you. I hope Kenisha listen. I hope Tantana listen. Wow. I hope Kenisha and Tantana listen.
No, you love me again.
Okay, thank you.
If the girl knows say you have 2 shillings and she come in your life, when the money done, the love done. The songwriter said the same thing it took to get your baby. It's gonna take the same thing.
Some of them only love you for what you can't give them. They look at money and all them sitting there, you understand? Me always tell them my instrument have value too. But you know what, so they look at talk, you talk about that a while ago. The one Chris Cross, he made perk up and what you want, Chris Cross, our number?
No, like Chris Cross, no want you.
I mean, okay, all right, then that's that word here.
Chris Cross, woman, them are kill me, not too much.
Me, Chris Cross, yeah, Chris Cross have a whole heap of woman, and that you tell me?
Them are dead over.
Okay. Chris Cross, you're the first staff.
Anyway, God bless.
Yeah, man, blessings and respect here.
I love you. I remember the name Fishy. And when they call Fishy, I think about no other fish.
Okay, when you say Fishy, I don't think about no other fish. But Fishy, they like how me love you now. They may have forgot some love Fishy.
Oh, I say. Lord, go with you, my son.
Lord, go with you to Fishy.
All right, dear.
All right, I know. They like how Fishy is in here, man. I love her. They may have forgot some love Fishy. Then they go say that the people, boy, Raga and bowl with him thingy, man. No, big and serious, you know, Richie. Chris Grant, Michelle. Uptown people are doing some freaky something, you know, man. Some, actually, I can't tell them on radio, you know. Some upside down, something pan swing and all that thing there, you know, man. Me idea about one idea with me can't tell you, no, but just imagine live fish. Like real fish. Live. You hear me say live. Me cannot tell you no. Me have to sit down. Me say, my girl, you eat a real thing out there. But she say, yes, Raga. Me say, the live fish. She say, yes, Raga. You know, she say, yes, Raga. Then me say, you're never afraid. She say, Raga, me nearly lose my mind. I feel good. Me say, uptown people that know so sick this. Yo, I can well break, but I'm going to investigate out them war not. We will break so forward.
A Mixup and Blenda time.
I'm want to call and talk up the things them.
What, big man? You're up on it.
Yeah, man. Hey, me have some new lyrics, you know. I want y'all, 2 girl, 3 y'all are the best.
On the next line, should I be a better run go get me HIV test?
Yeah, them. Hey, none of them don't do no test, you know. Call them, man. You don't know like the nagel thing.
Well, real big man not afraid of them liquor thing there. Yo, hear them lyrics. Me not afraid to get me HIV test. Real big man protect them interest.
Act responsibly. A message from the National HIV STI Program, Ministry of Health.
Christmas a come! Get a bag of things for your home at Lucky Dollar. Walk in with $500. Walk out with a bag of things and pay the balance in 30 months. Spend $5,000 and over and enter for a chance to win in the bag of things Lucky Dip. Win $25,000. TVs,
Top up today and get $100 free Digicel credit on your first top up for the month. That's right. So top up today and get $100 free credit to call over 2 million Digicel family members. Conditions apply. For more information, text 12 to 137. With Digicel, your credit lasts longer.
Every day for me is a beauty win-win. Skin so soft with a smooth, cool tone. Lasco Beauty soap I prefer as my own. Bar full of freshness.
Lasco beauty soaps are ideal for me. Cocoa butter, olive oil, aloe vera, oh so smooth. Lasco antibacterial and carbolic, great hygiene, it's beauty on a budget. And up to 40% savings. Smell nice, look great, and step out in confidence on the stage of life with Lasco beauty soaps.
A bar full of freshness. Me a walk and brag with my 4G swag. Like Santa Claus, I got my digital bag. Joy to the world! Ho, 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 stay connected. Club Pay Go!
Digicel Loaded Christmas. Make the 4G connection. Buy a laptop and Digicel 4G broadband modem bundle for as low as $39,000 plus GCT. And get a free gift with each purchase. Plus, active broadband customers have a chance to win a share of $26 million. Hurry to your nearest Digicel store now. Conditions apply.
So, stay connected this Christmas with Digicel.
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm want to call and talk up the things them.
Check. No, people, all who ask you said, we cannot say the Broadcasting Commission can allow if they explain about that uptown something. But me tell, no, we must sit and mix up. Chris Carr, what you say, Chris Carr? What you say? What? I can't hear Cross. Well, come over that microphone. Whatever. Hey.
You need to bust it mix up and blend.
No, but me just bust it and you and Michelle lay upon the ground.
I tell you, man, it's terrible.
No, but Michelle, me just tell him, you come back. Yo, you can't tell him, Michelle, but tell the people what happened to you. I tell him, say the ground on the for a while ago, and tell her, no. No, shot it.
No, that one on a different scale.
No, don't a mad shit, no. That name freaky, no. That name. Hey, people, Michelle, weak on the ground, man. Chris Grass should have shock. No, man, he must sit and mix up and blend about but what I'm saying, I have an active imagination, you know, but never in my wildest imagination would I imagine that. And, you know, me demonstrate what she say and whatever. She said, Raga, want me to you, man, I shake and trim but till I fool, man. Yeah, but me I say, oh, them sit down and take up them things if I go do them so. Because somebody must see the fish swim and must say, you know. No, I want that, you know how them come up with that. They must like you catch a fish and when they catch a fish, they see the fish are flat and say, Light bulb. No, but she breathe enough to make him do that thing.
Don't.
Yeah, for real, no. So she said she did just, she tried, whatever. Man. But anyway, here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, I'm calling about the topic of today.
Yes.
Yeah, me know this pastor, man. You see, Raga? I just get baptized in one church. I'm married, me and my husband. And the man take my number and Raga saying, want to give me a little prayer. All of a sudden, every night, Raga, this man takes me after 11. Baby, you going to bed? Baby, I want some sort out and them something there and claim say my pastor.
Well, this is the pastor we're married on?
No, I know him married with.
Oh.
But him come at the church, I want crusade.
Okay.
And say I take the number for give me like a prayer for Raga.
Okay.
Yes. And instead of prayer, the man look me Raga.
Well, you'd have definitely go on your knee, but it's not for prayer.
Me have to tell him to make God chastise me and him Raga.
And him know say you just married, no?
And he know.
And the pastor takes a step to them here.
All this morning he takes me about high pumpkin.
And him don't even protect you because him a look you and text you after 11 o'clock at night. No?
You understand?
You lay down on your bed.
Where the man there?
I ask you where the man there.
All them brightness.
You see, him a look you, him know you just married, him a look you and him don't even try to protect you. All that because you lay down at 11 o'clock at night now with the man on your phone then and it and the first thing I said then who that I call you. You know what we man are going to say,
Not true.
We man are going to say, then him come for a text you after 11 o'clock. And what you been telling him? And what you did I do with him?
Guess what, I hide nothing from my husband. I open my tweet, I tell him everything.
You see, so your husband knows him a look here?
Yes, I tell him from day one what happened. I show him the text, then I keep it from him.
If him come and try if he step to you, grab the Bible all the time and I'm box him with it.
You see it too.
You understand? I splash him, I splash you up. You understand? Don't worry yourself, man. So that pastor, we cut out the name here. You're going to tell with the name here? Here?
Yes. Raga.
Yeah, man, I did ask you the denomination, but you tell me the name of the church. I will never want the name, so just tell me the denomination. Like a Catholic or hold on. Is it true me don't know the denomination? Me never know the denomination, then me I go leave the part there alone or whatever. But the Westmoreland pastor, man, you just married and him want to give a proper fix up here. I take you after 11. Anyway, that's our word here. Blessings and respect here.
All right, Raga. Take care of yourself.
To the world. Yeah, somebody said, I use toothbrush. You see that?
No, read the comment them another one there. You're funny.
Carry on petite to the core bijou back. Yo, carry on. Big ass cheers. May I tell you, you're not really connect with you, carry on. So, you're not really dead, you know?
Read what Gaza Rush, right?
Gaza Rush, right?
And that time you won.
Oh, hold on. What Gaza Rush, right?
Right under the same post, man.
Them got normal toothbrush or electric.
read the one after that and the one after that. Just read it.
Try sitting on the washing machine. Yo, that
read that one, you know.
Oh, Tammy, washing machine, laugh out loud. I used to wash and rinse. Can't manage them. Can't manage them. Okay, good afternoon. Hello. Hello. Yes, greetings.
Yeah, greetings.
Whoa, yeah.
I'm calling from the highest point in Jamaica, you know.
Blue Mountain.
Man, the people them file up here to get enough for me someone level so my disease.
Yeah, the people them what?
File.
Cyril?
File.
Oh, file. Oh, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you know, my pick up when you tell them something. You have somebody file here.
Alright, this is what I'm going to know. We have this pastor, man. She have a son, you see.
Yeah.
Son in his 20s, you see me?
Yeah.
My deal with that woman, the one in his 50s, so the woman, tricky man tell him, say, man, him in his 30s, so she can get pregnant, you see it?
Right.
Yeah, so it's like, the mother goes to man, I hear someone like, say, youth, and the woman a deal and thing, you see me?
Uh-huh.
So every time the mother goes to the youth, and ask him, the youth are deny it. It's like, the pastor man goes to man come from church one night. You see?
Yeah.
She live in an upstairs and downstairs house, like, you see me? But the upstairs part not finished.
Yeah.
You see what going on now, like, me know her reason, she said she go to bed.
Yeah.
And like when she go to bed, like she feel uncomfortable. You see me?
Yeah, who feel uncomfortable?
The pastor.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Yeah, so she said like she feel uncomfortable.
Yeah.
So she asked her husband for the upstairs key. The upstairs not finishing about door and window and everything they go in, is it?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so she said she go out and go look on the table for the next key, and when she go out there she don't see, so she asked her husband for the next key.
Yeah.
When she asked the husband then the key, she goes to Obama and she go upstairs. When she goes to do and go upstairs, she see the two of them naked on a donkey pad.
Pan a what?
On a donkey pad.
A donkey pad? What is a donkey pad?
The thing where them put the amp upon the donkey.
Oh, yeah. You put on that cloth something there first, and then you put the. Okay, so upon the donkey pad, them there do the things them.
Yeah, so like them up on the donkey pad are sort out, isn't it? So when the mother go up and catch them, you know, like the son goes to Obama and jump up to the mother jaw last, isn't it? When she goes to Obama and she jaw the last and she chop off of the girl, and so the son come up and the girl start getting her spirit and start ball out, isn't it?
What, the girls start getting a spirit and a ball out?
Yeah.
Okay, so the anointed reach all right. They say when the last swing off hard, though.
But I mean, if the anointed now, I know what I know. You know, when I reach, I say, you know, the son never did. I say, cool, man.
No, man, that's how, man. When the last swing near her, man, she find Jesus. She did find the son first, you know, man. And when the last swing near her, the Lord she reach for right there, so, you know, the Holy Ghost full her up right there, so, man.
I want to let you know, the youth when I 20 is a female man in it. I want my family woman, you know. You see me?
The what?
I was like, I want my family woman. But well, I told them my family still, you see me? Two man. You see me? Yeah, so it's like, want me, you know, like the son, like the one in the 20s carry out the woman, you see me?
Yeah.
So the right one man for the woman, you know, goes to Obama and find out that the man carry her out, you see me, on a Thursday.
Yeah.
See, like the man get some money and move with her, you see me? So when the man goes about my move with her, like the man there at the yard not eating and can't see the woman come home, you see me?
Yeah.
So when she goes about man, she can't see the woman. Like she go link the youth granny with my granny. You see me?
Yeah.
And I tell my granny say to call him and find out which part him there if him can come do something for him.
Right.
You see me?
Right.
Yeah. So we go so and my granny call the youth. Well, him can't make him know say the man beg him for call him. And so my granny say to him, say, yo, you know, say, me have some work more you do for me. You know? That's how the psych to find out which part in there. So the youth I say, how that sat there? It's not because of the Friday them come back in, you see me?
Yeah, but then what happening at the end, you know?
Alright, I want to say a dance skip one night, you see. And when the dance skip is like the girl goes about man I deal with that next man, you see me?
Yeah,
next man different from them two man I'm tell about.
Yeah, but how it end up? I should want bounce 2 more cards before me go, you know?
You know, the youth backs up the woman, man. It's not because him see me with the next man. It's not with another female girl.
See her with the next man?
Yeah, I'm box her out. I want to tell you right now, I see the youth with like me and him go out with a man. You see me?
Yeah.
For tie the woman.
For tie.
You see me?
Okay.
Yeah. Right now, I see him with a fat foot at the night. I go out at 9 night if I show me. I don't know it's all in the boot, you know, man.
Him have a fat foot where you don't know it's all in the boot?
Yeah.
Why you think the Obia turn back for him or them Obia him back?
Why I mean if I turn back for him or why, you know?
Because turn back Obia is at me. I say, why hell ever sitting, you know? You want to give people big foot and you end up with it.
I say the man foot fat like...
So wait, then give him big foot?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Well, let's set up the party. Let's set up now. Blessings and respect. You know, respect for the link here.
All right, my brother.
Protection. I just a suggestion, like, you know, like Jamaicans on very often say, yeah, one upstairs and downstairs house. And, you know, my suggestion is, like, if I upstairs, it must have downstairs too, you know. But what I say, I want if a Jamaican to love, they say, yeah, our upstairs and downstairs house. Yeah. I think somebody just suggest, say, from upstairs there, the downstairs must there
like
too, you know.
Rooftop.
Yeah, you know, so, you know. I think. Now, here we go. Give me our next caller, Richie. Good afternoon. Hello?
I'm okay, becoming clean every day. Yeah.
How old is?
Lively Clive, brother.
Lively Clive, man. Lively Clive. So Clive, with the Clive, me and your brethren, years now, from Mixup and Blenda boss. And woman a beat you for you not tell me?
No, man, I don't beat nothing like that, man. I want if I jam, I go down, but I beat no man, I might get the beat, man.
All right, you bring the brownie. I choose the girl beat you, and you beat where that deal beat you, you left and go country and bring back the brownie. That's true?
No, man, I saw his story, man.
And I saw his story. All right, she did rush you and police have to get involved to take her off of you and the girl.
Yeah, I have a police escort me to leave her, man.
Eh?
I have a police escort me to leave her, man.
Why?
A piece of jam I go down. And me bring the girl, see? And me bring the girl, my girl, kind of 6 months now, when I didn't the pan up, you see? They will call it quick.
Yeah.
They call it quick, he said quick. So I say, what I run, I step and feel good and things. Regarding she don't need me.
Yeah.
Some say, all right, me and my place, so done with the rent house and outside and things.
Yeah.
They say, you all outside, me all outside.
Yeah.
So me both I'm coming now. When start up my place, later I'm coming and fresh and thing, and then she never my place when we used to deal, she never there, she did there work. So me
we not no time, no Clive, no vex, Clive, no vex, you know, but just tell me the drama we happen, because Chris Grass will play too.
Well, the drama is big story after and the girl, like, she run down my girl and me bring on the car and me run she down.
She a run down your girl when you bring her, you a run she?
Yeah, because me a run her look and me don't want she catch her, so me a try to take her off her she.
Okay.
So a big police escort brother that you leave her.
A crazy sitting.
Crazy, but the two men are calling and my two friends.
Are you two?
Yeah, so never done the first one, let me do the second one.
No, we not. Ah, yeah, I know. We're going to make you do it tomorrow, yeah?
All right,
we'll make routine. Because you have mix up on them, so we lock it tomorrow. But we have to go.
Tomorrow we lock it.
We have to go level off, you know, yeah?